there are certain variations in assignment problems, and based on those variations we have to find the optimal solution. Now another type of variation in assignment problem is when there are restrictions on assignment. Now restriction means what? When one particular job is not assigned to one particular worker. So that may be due to technical reasons or maybe due to any other reasons. So how to find the optimal solution in those cases when there are restriction on assignments. Now consider an example in which the time required to complete the task in hours is given. If this task is given to this clerk, so the time taken is 4 hours. So what you have to find? You have to find the optimum assignment schedule. Optimum means what? That achieves our desired objective function. Now what is the objective function here? Since time is given, so objective function will be what? To minimize the total time. Now there is a restriction in this assignment problem that this clerk number 3, this will not be assigned task B. Similarly clerk number 2, this will not be assigned task A. So these are the restrictions already given. So how to proceed with these type of numericals? So whenever there is a restriction on any assignment is given in the question, so what you have to do? You have to assign a very large value equivalent to infinity in that particular cell in which restriction is there. Now in this cell the restriction is there that this clerk cannot be assigned this task. So what we'll do? We'll assign a very large value equivalent to infinity in these cells. तो हमने यहाँ पे infinity की वैल्यू हमने यहाँ पे assign कर दी, because infinity minus anything or you plus anything in infinity, so the value will not change. So now starting with finding the optimal solution. Now the very first step in finding the optimal solution is what? So we use Hungarian method for finding the optimal solution. So first is what? Check for square matrix. Means you have to check that problem should be a balanced assignment problem. Now square matrix means what? Number of rows should be equal to number of columns. Now 4 rows are there and 4 columns are there. It means the first condition or first step is fulfilled. And the matrix is a square. Now moving towards the next step. So next step is what? This is reduction of matrix. Reduction of matrix means in every row and in every column you have to bring at least 1 0. तो वो 0 कैसे लेके आनी है? By subtracting the minimum value of that row or column from all the other values of that row or column. So first of all row wise operation has to be performed, then we'll perform the operation column wise. Now looking at the first row, which is the minimum value 4, so you subtract this 4 from all the other values. So 4 minus 4 is 0, then 3, then 1 and then 2. Now in the second row, which is minimum value 4, so you subtract this 4 from all the other values of the second row. Now infinity minus 4, so that is infinity 4, 3 and 0. Now in the third row, which is minimum value 3, so 0, infinity 2 and 0. In the fourth row it is 2, so this comes out to be 4, 4, 2, 0. So row wise operation has been performed. By performing this row wise operation we have bring at least 1 0 in every row. अब अपने column में check करना है कि हर column में एक 0 है, minimum 1 0 should be there. In the first column 0 is there. अब second column में नहीं है और third column में नहीं है. So now operation is to be performed column wise. Now performing operation column wise, in the first column the 0 is already there, so write down the value as it is. In the second column, which is minimum value, so 3, so subtract it from all the values of that column, so this comes out to be 1. In the third column 0, 2, 1, 1. In the fourth column, so 0 is already there. So it means the matrix reduction is over, so no further reduction is possible or no further reduction is required. Now next step is make optimal assignments, that you have to make the assignments in this reduced matrix. So what is the method of making assignments? तो look for single 0 in the first row. First row में single 0 है? नहीं है, तो leave it. Move towards the second row. Second row में single 0 है? तो वहाँ पे असाइन कर दो, उस कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग सेल के रो और कॉलम में जितनी भी ज़ीरोस है वो क्रॉस कर दो। इसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग कॉलम में ये 2 ज़ीरोस है, तो ये हमने क्रॉस कर दी। नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द थर्ड रो, सिंगल ज़ीरो है, यस, अ सिंगल ज़ीरो इज़ देयर, तो यू मेक एन असाइनमेंट एंड क्रॉस ऑल द ज़ीरोस कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू दिस सेल। नाउ लुक एट द फोर्थ रो, इज देयर एनी सिंगल ज़ीरो, नहीं है, वो क्रॉस हो चुकी है, ठीक है। नाउ अगेन लुक फॉर सिंगल ज़ीरो इन द रो, so row wise you are not getting any single zero, so when you are not getting any single zero row wise, then you have to look for single zero column wise. In the first column already assigned है, second column में single zero है, you make an assignment and cross all the other zeros corresponding to this cell. Now you are not left with any zeros, either all the zeros are crossed or all the zeros are assigned. So when will you get the optimal solution? So you will get the optimal solution when in every row and in every column there is one assignment. तो हम चेक कर लेते हैं, फर्स्ट रो में असाइनमेंट है, सेकंड में है, थर्ड में है और फोर्थ में नहीं है. It means what? This is not an optimal solution. Now next step is iterate towards optimality. That is, you have to move towards the optimal solution. So what are the various sub steps in this step? So the first step is you have to tick the row which is not having any assignment, कि वो वाली रो टिक करनी है जिसमें there is no assignment. So if you look at all the rows, so this is the row in which there is no assignment. Now look at the column which is having 0 in this marked row. अब इस marked row में 0 कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे है, उस column को टिक करना है आपने. So this is the second step. Then third is you have to look for assignment in this marked column. अब इस marked column में कहाँ पे assignment है? In the second row. तो वो आपने क्या करना है? वो रो आपने टिक करना है. Then again इस रो में जहाँ पे भी 0 है वो आपने column टिक करना है. So this is already ticked. So this means what? The ticking operation is over. No further ticking is possible. Now next is cross the unmarked rows and marked columns. Now which are the unmarked rows? This and this, and you have to cross what? You have to cross the marked column. Now what are the leftover elements in which the lines are not crossing? So this is infinity 1, 2, 4, 1 and 1. So look for the minimum element in these elements. So that is what? 1. You subtract this minimum element from all these elements where lines are not crossing, and you have to add this minimum value at the intersection point of the lines, कि जहाँ पे वो lines intersect कर रही हैं 2 पे और 0 पे, वहाँ पे वो minimum element को प्लस करना है, बाकी values को as it is लिखना है. So draw new matrix in which the following conversions are to be done. Now out of these elements which is minimum? 1. So you subtract this value from all these elements. Infinity minus 1 is infinity, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 1, then 3, 0 and 0. Now next is where there is point of intersection of the lines, you add this minimum element. So 2 plus 1 is what? 3, 0 plus 1 is 1. बाकी elements को as it is लिख लो. So that is 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, infinity, 1. So this is 0. So now this is the next reduced matrix. Now again you have to make the assignments in the reduced matrix. So what is the method? You look for single 0 in the first row, नहीं है. Second row में single 0 है, नहीं है. Third row में single 0 है. You mark an assignment and corresponding to this cell you cross all the other zeros. Now look for 0 in the fourth row, नहीं है. तो फिर से चेक करो किसी रो में single 0 है, so नहीं है. तो when this operation fails, means you are not getting any single 0 in any of the row, then look for single 0 column wise. अब first column में assignment है, इसे छोड़ दो. Second column में single 0 है, नहीं है. Third column में single 0 है, नहीं है. Fourth column में है, नहीं है. So when you are not getting any single 0 in row or column, the next step is you have to look for 2 zeros in the column from the back direction, कि पीछे से वो वाला column देखना है जिसमें क्या हो? 2 zeros. Now which is that column? So this is the fourth column in which there are 2 zeros from the back. Now इसकी पहली ज़ीरो को आपने क्या कर देना है? आपने असाइन कर देना है ना. कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू दिस ज़ीरो, जितनी भी ज़ीरोस इस रो में हैं वो क्रॉस कर दो, इस कॉलम में है वो क्रॉस कर दो. Now this operation is to be performed only once. Now again look at single 0 in the first row. 2 ज़ीरो से छोड़ दो, इसमें नहीं है। अब फोर्थ रो में भी क्या है, सिंगल ज़ीरो, तो लीव इट। अगेन लुक फॉर सिंगल ज़ीरो इन द कॉलम। इसमें भी, इस कॉलम में भी 2 ज़ीरोस है, इस कॉलम में भी 2 ज़ीरोस है, मतलब इन रो और कॉलम में वी आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी सिंगल ज़ीरो। देन व्हाट इज़ द मेथड, यू लुक फॉर 2 ज़ीरोस इन द कॉलम फ्रॉम बैक। अब पीछे से वो कॉलम देखो जिसमें 2 ज़ीरोस है, तो वो कौन सा कॉलम है, थर्ड कॉलम। तो उसकी पहली ज़ीरो को क्या कर दो, आप असाइन कर दो, और कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू दिस जितनी भी ज़ीरोस है वो क्या कर दो, क्रॉस कर दो। Now this operation is to be performed only once. Now again look for single zero in the row. अब किसी रो में सिंगल ज़ीरो है, यस फोर्थ रो में सिंगल ज़ीरो है, तो यहाँ पे क्या कर दो, आप असाइन कर दो। Now all the zeros are either crossed or it will be assigned. कोई भी वेकेंट ज़ीरो नहीं होगी, मतलब कोई भी ज़ीरो ऐसी नहीं होगी जो वेकेंट हो। Neither it should be crossed or not should be assigned. Now when will you get the optimal solution? When in every row and in every column there is one assignment. अब फर्स्ट रो में भी है, सेकंड में भी है, थर्ड में भी 4, और हर कॉलम में क्या है, असाइनमेंट है। इट मीन्स व्हाट, कि वी हैव रीच्ड द ऑप्टिमल सोल्यूशन। नाउ व्हाट इज द ऑप्टिमल सोल्यूशन, कि दिस क्लर्क 1, दिस इज असाइंड विच टास्क, दिस इज असाइंड टास्क C, सेकंड इज असाइंड टास्क D, थर्ड इज A and fourth is B. So this is the optimal assignment schedule by which our objective function क्या है, to minimize the total time that will be minimized. Now what is the total minimum time, you find it out. If 1 is assigned to C, तो टाइम कितना है 5, 2 is assigned to D 4, 3 is assigned to A 3, 4 is assigned to B 6. So this comes out to be 5, 4, 9, 3, 12, 6 तो 18 hours. So this is the minimum time by making this assignment.